Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to register screenplay copyright. While your work is technically copyrighted the moment it's written, official registration with the U.S. Copyright Office is a vital step. It provides clear legal evidence of your authorship and ownership. This formal registration is essential if you ever need to defend your work against infringement in a court of law, offering significant legal advantages. The registration process is primarily done online through the Electronic Copyright Office, or ECO system. First, you'll need to create an account on the official website. When starting a new application, most screenwriters will select the option for Register One Work by One Author. It's important to correctly identify your screenplay as a work of the performing arts, not a motion picture. Next, you will fill in the application form with specific details about your screenplay. This includes the title of your work, its year of completion, and your information as the author. You will then upload a digital copy of your screenplay, typically as a PDF file. For a single author registering one work, the filing fee is usually $45, payable online. Once your application and payment are submitted, your copyright registration becomes effective on that date. While it may take several months to receive your official certificate in the mail, the legal protection begins immediately. This formal registration is crucial because it allows you to pursue statutory damages and recover attorney fees if your work is ever infringed upon, providing robust legal recourse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.